Stop by and take a look at the 2019 AMG GT. This vehicle is powered by a all-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 4.0-liter engine and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, speed control. Inside you'll find surround view camera, ventilated front seats, heated front seats, security system, low tire pressure warning, trip computer, power windows, power steering, tachometer, tilt steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.